Mommy Cat. Happy birthday, Mommy Cat. Happy birthday, Mommy Cat.
One more time.
Happy birthday, Mommy Cat. Happy birthday, Mommy Cat. Happy birthday, Mommy Cat. Happy birthday, Mommy Cat.
Ang galing.
Hi, Mommy. Good morning. We wish you a happy birthday, and we wish you will gonna celebrate your birthday. We wish you good health and happy birthday po. Thank you po sa pag-aalaga sa akin and kay Calvin. Happy birthday, Mama. Chup chup. Love you.
Happy birthday, Mommy Cat. Happy birthday, Mommy Cat. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Mommy Cat. Happy birthday, Mommy Cat. Happy birthday,
Baba Cat. Happy birthday,
Happy birthday.
I will always get you.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Tita Kati.
I love you so much. You're the best auntie.
Love you, Tita Kat. Happy birthday, Mommy Kat. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy
birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Yay! Happy birthday, Mommy Kat. Thank you for everything. We love you.
We love you. Ikaw din, we love you. Sino? We love you.
Happy birthday. Narinig.
Narinig.
Happy birthday, Kat. More and birthdays to come. Enjoy your day. God bless.
Paglulutuan kita ngayon ng ang tawag dito ay popping molo. Sana matuwa ka. Hindi ka natuwa, tapong ko to.
Ano? May ubo.
Happy birthday.
Hi, Kat. Happy birthday. More birthdays to come. Love you.
Kat, happy birthday! Ah, diba nagpaganda ako, may lipstick ako. Dapat kanina pa tong greetings ko na to. Pero dapat maganda ako. Happy birthday to you!
Happy birthday, Mommy Cat.
More blessings to you, Ma'am Shi, and good health para sa iyo at sa family mo.
Am I right?
Happy birthday!